In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Strikethrough in Confluence. This feature is perfect for showing edits, marking completed tasks, or indicating content that's no longer relevant while keeping it visible for reference. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Confluence and log into your account. If you are new to Confluence, you can quickly sign up for free and continue once you're logged in. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Confluence dashboard. From here, navigate to the page where you want to apply the strike-through effect. Open the page and click the Edit button to enter edit mode. Once you are in edit mode, select the text you want to strike through by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. With the text highlighted, look at the formatting toolbar above the editor. In the toolbar, you will see several formatting options like bold, italic, underline, and the strike-through icon, usually shown as letters with a line through them. Click the strike-through icon and the selected text will instantly display with the line through it. This is a simple and effective way to show revisions, completed items, or changes in shared documents without deleting important information. When you're finished, click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. You now know how to use Strikethrough in Confluence to clearly communicate edits and updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Confluence tips and tech guides like this.